Hey, welcome back to Bridal Sewing Techniques, and today we're going to talk about how to make this pretty little French seam. There on the left is the inside, and on the right is that outer, smooth, beautiful finish. This seam is done with just 2 rows of straight stitches, so you're going to start sewing with the wrong sides together. That's right, it's going to look like you're sewing it wrong side out, and you're just going to do this nice little straight line along the seam. And then you're going to take a pass with your shears and cut nice and close right along that line of stitches. Get super close, but not close enough to cause it to fray. Great, now you're going to turn it wrong side out and you're going to do another row of stitches. So again, this is going to be the inside of, let's say this is a sleeve, okay? And you're just going to stitch, keeping all of that seam allowance on the inside of this new channel that you are forming. Turn it right side out, and it makes a beautiful sleeve. Enjoy your French seam.